Rama
Hare
Hare
Rama,
Rama
Rama Rama
Rama
Hare.
Hare
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 Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna
Krishna
Krishna,
Krishna
Hare Hare. Hare
Hare
Rama, Hare
Rama
Rama, Rama
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 Hare.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare
Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji.
So this is very nice. What is happening here? King Puranjana was engaged in the life of hunting. Hunting means hunting for what? Eating, sleeping, mating, different. An animal also hunts for this, man also hunts for this. Ahara Nidra. Who know this shloka? Bolo bhai. Ahara Nidra Bhaya.
आहार निद्रा भयमैथुनं च सामान्य एतत् पशुभिः नराणां धर्मो
Very
हि
good.
तेषाम् अधिको विशेषो धर्मेण हीना पशुभिः समाना. हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी, दंडवत प्रणाम.
Very good. So now you see these activities, so is hunting, these are the requirements. So constantly the mind is hunting for these needs, searching. An animal is also hunting like that. He comes out of the place, है ना, चार चीज को ढूंढता रहता है. कहाँ खाना मिलेगा, है ना, निद्रा, है ना, like that. And whole life goes for this. And somehow by good fortune, the Puranjana becomes exhausted and tired from these activities. And he comes back home. Home is referring to go back home, back to Godhead. He comes back to Krishna consciousness. And now he's feeling refreshed. Actually, the intelligence and mind is shocked. When we go to a temple, we are feeling so blissful. Intelligence mind is shocked, कि क्या हो रहा है? Because in the beginning stages, we are not able to understand. Suppose there is Sankirtan and you are sitting together, devotee chanting, I generally feel a new person needs 45 1 hour of Kirtan, one tune. That is my personal agenda. Take care. Everybody may not agree. But whatever it is, 1 hour of Shravan Kirtan, he should open his mouth and chant. Shravan Kirtan, 1 hour. He should be engaged in that. And then it cracks his heart. 5 minutes में नहीं होता, 1 घंटा चाहिए. Similarly, reading also, we need 1 hour. और 5 मिनट, 2 मिनट, व्हाट्सएप में 1 3 मिनट का मैसेज देख लिया, उससे कुछ नहीं होने वाला. If you want to feel presence of Prabhupada, you see the purport we read, we can start feeling his presence. है ना? So nicely is guiding, है ना? Compassionately guiding everybody. You can, but if you, when you read for, you see, so great he is. Prabhupada is so great. You want to feel like that? Read every day 1 hour. You'll start feeling that in the heart. And unless your faith develops on Acharya, your spiritual life is, what is the use? Just like we say the demonic person, see, our nature is to expand because we are part and parcel of Krishna. Krishna is always expanding. Anand Ambudhi Vardhanam. है ना? So we expand. But the karmi, where he expands, I have more money, I have more this. That depends on karma, it will come and go. But bhakti should expand, then because that no situation can arrest. See, I am rich or poor depends on my karma. Somebody went to Srila Prabhupada and he said that we in India also will work hard, we will also become rich. Prabhupada said, that's fine. But many people are working hard in this world, correct? ऐसा नहीं है कि सब बहुत लोग मेहनत नहीं कर रहे. कुछ लोग बिना मेहनत के करोड़पति बन जाते हैं. ऐसा भी होता है ना, बिना मेहनत के. एक शेयर करेक्ट खरीद दिया, कल करोड़पति बन गए. नहीं होता है ना, इट कैन बी देयर. सो लॉटरी खरीद दिया, करोड़पति बन गए. तो कैन बी पीपल बिकम. सो इट्स नॉट जस्ट बाय हार्ड वर्क. ऑलवेज पूरा कर्मा इज ऑल्सो एसोसिएटेड, है ना. सो इफ आई एम गोइंग टू डिपेंड माई हैप्पीनेस ऑन ऑल दिस थिंग्स, देयर इज अ प्रॉब्लम. There is a problem. And whole life, what do you do with that money? Now I'll work hard, then I'll get some money. What do you do with that money? I'll be hunting. Just like in Mangalore, somebody was telling, lot of labor comes from all around India. यहाँ का local लोग labor नहीं करता काम, यहाँ बड़ा लोग. So these people, they come, they suppose they get in their city 200, 300 per day. यहाँ पे 1000 रुपये में भी नहीं एग्री करते. थोड़ा घास काट दो, एटलीस्ट 900,000, उसमें भी 2 घंटा काम करते हैं, सो जाते हैं, फिर उनको लंच खिलाओ, फिर उस 2 घंटा काम करते हैं, फिर खाते हैं, 3-4 घंटा काम, और सोते हैं बीच में, ब्रेक लेने का. ऐसा लेबर जो लोग फार्म लेबर डील कर रहा है, बहुत मुश्किल है. And they get a good salary also. So imagine husband is working, wife is working, they are making 1,500, 2,000 per day. बहुत अच्छा सैलरी, 50-60 तो इंजीनियर भी नहीं कमा रहा, मजे से. And then उतना करके भी, I said, what is their economic development? No economic development. With that money, they increase the quality of the liquor. पहले वो लोकल पीते थे, अभी ब्रांडेड पीने लगते हैं. और जो शहर के बेशरम डॉक्टर्स हैं जो ज़्यादा कमा रहे हैं, वो फॉरेन लिकर पीते हैं, है ना. एट द एंड ऑफ द डे पीते ही हैं सबके सब, खाली उसका क्वालिटी डिफरेंट है. पूरा शहर पीता है मैंगलोर में, गरीब लोग ताड़ू पीता है, ताड़ी, और उसके बाद थोड़ा इम्प्रूव लोकल, उसके बाद फॉरेन. ऐसा हाल है. So the animal also in the same way, he is also doing hunting for eating, sleeping. We are also hunting for eating, sleeping. थोड़ा foreign brand है हमारा, वो उसका animal is about this activity. And people see this activity. See, I am going in a big car, he is roaming in that. So it's a different civilization, a different consciousness. So when we become fed up, which is not easy, no? बोलना बहुत आसान है. When we become fed up, totally we become convinced that इसमें कुछ सुख नहीं है, then शांति will start. और जब तक we have a hope that there is some happiness and sense enjoyment, nothing can be done. Matirna Krishna parato sato va mito vipadyet graha vratanam adant govi vishatam tamishram punah punah charvita charvananam. Again, we are chewing the same situation, nothing better. Again and again we are chewing the same situation. Somewhere time is going by, every moment there is actually an exam. If you can give up, अभी थोड़ा उसके बाद और tough exam आएगा. Like Haridas Thakur, the Maya Devi, ये क्या problem है? आ गया हेलीकॉप्टर. हाँ, the Maya Devi personally came to test her. नहीं, इसको ऑन कर सकते हैं, मेरा उसका जरूरत नहीं भी है. नहीं वो छोड़ो. हो गया? अभी पर्सनल है, ठीक है, अंत में देख लेंगे. नो हेडेक. सो माया देवी पर्सनली, हाउ personally Maya Devi came to test somebody. Just imagine, not easy. And then what happened? She became frustrated. Interest ही नहीं है. He doesn't have even a smallest of hope. There is happiness in sense in that. और हमारा क्या हाल है? बोलना भी नहीं चाहिए, बहुत बुरा हाल है, ठीक है ना? That is what we are. We are still hunting for sense in that. No. That example I gave you, like cigarette ka advertisement is of no use to many of us, correct? There may be somebody in audience. I think in audience nobody is there. And so even if 1 crore rupee of advertisement is made by Maya, मैं आपके सामने भी सिगरेट का पैकेट रख दूंगा और मुंह के सामने तो नहीं चाहिए मेरे को. इतने कन्विंस है ना हम लोग, कन्विंस्ड हैं. हाँ, सिगरेट छोड़ना आसान होता है, बट माया के बहुत एंगल्स हैं, सबको छोड़ना आसान नहीं होता है. बट वी आर नॉट कन्विंस्ड. दैट्स व्हाई दे से एग्जांपल, somebody thinking मैं शादी करूं या नहीं करूं, शादी कर. डाउट है तो शादी कर. नहीं मतलब नहीं, शायद कर, तो कर सोचने नहीं, बिकॉज ही कैन, देन माया गॉट अ लूप होल, माया काम करना शुरू कर दिया. एक्चुअली इट्स बिकम मोर एंड मोर डिफिकल्ट टू बी अ रियल ब्रह्मचारी. ब्रह्मचर्य मीन्स फ्रॉम 5 साल से 25 साल तक होता है ब्रह्मचर्य, है ना. क्या होता था कब 5 to 25, नो 5 to 25 में तो मोबाइल लेके बैठा हुआ था, क्या ब्रह्मचर्य कर रहा था. इस्कॉन में उसके बाद आता है, इस्कॉन में उसके बाद आता है, पर 20 साल रील देखता है उसके बाद इस्कॉन में आता है. उसको क्या ब्रह्मचर्य करोगे, मन भरा हुआ उसका कचरे से, है ना. क्या कितना क्लीन करोगे, कितना क्लीन करोगे, आता रहेगा, कितना साल तक आता रहेगा कचरा. So it become more and more difficult. So to be really convinced, just like आपका, now there are many grahasthas here, but I am giving the lesson. Bhishma gave short reply to Yudhishthira's different questions. And he said, because Bhagavatam has a summary. Prabhupada writes a big purport, you can read that purport in the chapter. That many things which are not mentioned in Bhagavatam, they are in Mahabharata. Okay? But in brief, it is Prabhupada writes there, Bhishma says that to get free from sex desire, we should have determination not to have sex. Sex desire, gaya. This is for brahmacharis. Kya? You have a decision not to have sex, sex desire is vanished. If you're thinking, मैं सिगरेट पीऊंगा तो छोटी वाली बड़ी वाली फॉरेन इंडियन ये आएगा, मैं नहीं पीऊंगा तो हमारे मन में नहीं आता ना, आता है क्या, है ना. मैं आपके मुंह के सामने भी रख दूंगा, थू, आपको पूरे दिन वीडियो दिखा, रील दिखाता रहूंगा, सिगरेट पी रहा है, बकवास, नहीं देखेगा ना, इसको निकाले, इसको नहीं चाहिए. उसी तरह एक बार ही डिटरमिन, वो फॉर दोज वेरी फ्यू विल देयर जो ब्रह्मचर्य का कोशिश कर रहे हैं, उनके लिए बोल रहा हूँ मैं सोच लो मैं नहीं करना, बस खुश रहो उसके बाद, केवल आनंद का. एक बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम से मुक्त हो गए. Somebody went to Srila Prabhupada. Prabhupada, I am thinking I should get married. Prabhupada said, Acha, then you know there are so many things associated. You have to take care of this, you have to take care of this, you have to take care of this, you have to take care of... Pura, he told basically, these are the responsibilities of this ashram. जब सुना ना, because what we think, खाली मैं आनंद करूँगा, बस. We don't, that is the weakness of Kali Yuga, correct ना? We don't want to accept, जैसे माँ बाप होते ना, बच्चे को settle कर दो. But they don't see whether he has the resources to take care of this responsibility, है ना? Whether he has the resources for this responsibility. Prabhupada had this problem in America. He asked some lady, why don't you get your son married? So she said, if can he handle the finance expense? उसके पास उतना बड़ा job नहीं है ना? So similarly, we have come to the material world to enjoy, and the tendency is to do enjoyment without responsibility. That is dharma. Dharma means I want to enjoy, but I accept responsibility. Correct? सारे धर्म तो यही है ना, enjoy करना है, शादी करो. ऐसे नहीं कर सकते. What nowadays is going on, girlfriend, boyfriend, that is enjoyment without responsibility. Enjoyment is with responsibility. So we have come to the material world fundamentally to enjoy, and we are trying to enjoy without responsibility, without taking the, and that's a tendency in Tamoguna. Sattva-guna, yes, I have to accept. Devashi bhutata nidam pitirinam na kinkaro nayam rini jarajan sarvatmaya sharanam sharanyam gato mukunda pariyatu. I have responsibility. I have taken birth in this world. He sees I am benefited. The devatas are benefiting me. I am getting sunlight, moonlight, I am getting rain. है ना? मिल रहा है ना? I am indebted to the devata and Param Devata Krishna. है ना? I am indebted. Rishi, great saints, whatever values, knowledge, culture we are living, peacefully we are living now. So it has, somebody has done, rishis have given guidance. Bhuta, other living entities, cow is giving you milk. So many animals are doing so much service, therefore I am peacefully sitting here. Bhuta, Apta, friends, I am indebted to them, they give me good counsel, good guidance, they support me. And when I am in trouble, they come to support me. Devashi, Bhutat, Nidam, Pitirinam, and finally my own parents, I am indebted to them. है ना, कर्तव्य. So ये आदमी सोचता है, I have responsibility. ऐसा नहीं. as a normal man and a devotee has a different picture. A responsible personality, a devotee, has a very good picture. I am responsible. I have to do something. He cannot lie down. है ना? I have a responsibility. छुट्टी है, आज का दिन सो गए. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं. I have a responsibility. Today some time is there. And Devarshi Bhutata Niram Pitrinam Na Kinkaro Nayam Rini Charajam Sarvatmaya Sharanam Sharanam Gotomukha. Anybody knows this shloka? Hare Krishna. Chalo bolo bolo. फटाफट. किसी को नहीं मालूम है. Gautama, Hana. So, if we can take shelter of Krishna, whatever shortcomings are there in my responsibility, Krishna will fulfill it. In fact, this miracle many devotees had in their life. Many, many devotees. So many examples. So many examples. And every day that is happening. If we are sincerely serving Krishna, some material responsibility is getting neglected. True? Krishna will fulfill it. If you are sincere. You don't make a joke out of it. Everybody think, no, I have a duty, responsibility. Now you start serving Krishna. Just like we have seen, just like we go to colleges, we request students, पढ़ाई कर रहे हो, medicine भी कर रहे हो, and there was 2 boys come to me in the temple, very nice boys. So one of them is still in touch with me. And very cute, very, very cute. And then what happened, they grew up, they reached 12th class. The whole temple used to know them, they used to come, just like we also have nowadays some children come taking. So one of them, seeing the anxiety of the exam, he stopped chanting. For 1 year he didn't chant. The other boy did not stop chanting. The result is, the person who kept chanting has a big career now. Very big. He has become a big man. He is in, materially I am speaking, he is an donor also to a temple. Other person paid. तो ये होता है, हम सोचते हैं. So that is what actually happens. So, because we cannot do a certain, see, Prabhupada, when he gave 16 rounds for the world as a acharya for the present age, as I always say, some fools don't recognize it, some few fools, some intelligent people recognize it. He is the guru, not only for Gaudiya Vaishnavas, he is the acharya for the world now. True? Now, if you say, Prabhupada said, follow 16 rounds, nobody on earth can give an excuse, he cannot do it. Correct? When he said that, he said for everybody. Some people find time. Kali Purusha is busy, किसी तरह इस क्लास को रोको, है ना? किसी तरह क्लास को रोको. तो लगा हुआ है, कनेक्शन कम करो. क्या स्वामी जी बोल रहे हैं? Because if the world follows Prabhupada today, Kali Purusha has to leave. बोरिया बिस्तरा बंद करके भागना पड़ेगा इधर से. He cannot touch. Correct? He cannot touch. If the world follows Srila Prabhupada, हो गया. There is no, Prabhupada used to say, no unhappiness can exist in the world. Everybody will be happy. But that is not easy. It's not easy to follow an acharya, to develop faith. It's not easy to be so fortunate. Kechit kevalaya bhaktya. Kechit, some rare soul takes a Shuddha bhakti. Vasudeva Parayana. Not easy to become Vasudeva Parayana. In Bhagavad Gita it is said, Manushyanam sahasreshu kashit yatati siddhaye yatatam api siddhanam kashit mam veti tatvataha. Among millions of people, some person tries to know about Krishna, correct? Who knows about Krishna. We are not talking about knowing Krishna, we are telling of serving Krishna. Actually, it is very difficult. Because we have got it very easily, we are thinking ये मजाक है, आसान नहीं है. हजारों people, हजारों साल they are doing tapasya in the forest. क्यों समय बर्बाद कर रहे हैं यार? जपा करो ना. Faith नहीं है. इतना वो तपस्या करके भगवान का चरण का दर्शन मिलता है, then हरे कृष्णा, है ना? Then कर्म योगा, ज्ञान योगा, अष्टांग योगा, then भक्ति योगा. अभी उसका समय नहीं है. चैतन्य महाप्रभु has been very, very merciful. And what he said? Just chant Hare Krishna. You chant Hare Krishna, and that's what happened. Immediately the faith is bestowed. Yeah. That's why in the shloka Prabhupada says, Vishaya vinivartante. Who knows this shloka? Anybody here?
Vishaya vinivartante niraharasya dehina rasavarjam rasopyasya param drishtva nivartate. Hare Krishna.
Mataji is becoming like encyclopedia. Anybody else?
Yes, yes, Prabhuji, Hare Krishna. Vishaya vinivartante niraharasya dehinah rasavacham rasopyasya param drishtva nivartate.
Ek shloka. Just imagine, each shloka is so much beneficial for us. है ना? This is a real lesson. क्या पढ़ा रहे हैं पता नहीं स्कूल कॉलेज में, समय बर्बाद कर रहे हैं. विषया विनिवर्तन्ते, विषया विनिवर्तन्ते. In fact, 50% time they should teach Gita. 50% time कुछ सिखा लो. विषया विनिवर्त. If they but listen नहीं करते, क्या करें? सुनते नहीं हमको. Vishaya vinivartante. If somebody wants to give up Vishaya, means sense enjoyment. निराहा नहीं चाहिए मेरे को, बिल्कुल नहीं चाहिए. रसवर्ज रसोप्यस्य. लेकिन छोड़ने के बाद भी मुंह में टेस्ट रहता है. जैसे डॉक्टर बोलते हैं आपको शुगर हो गई है, काजू कतली नहीं खानी है, देख के तो मुंह में पानी आता है ना. छोटे बच्चों को तो आप अगर रख दो, सीधा पानी दिखाते हो. देखा छोटे बच्चे क्या रखा मिठाई, पूरा गिरता मुंह से. उसको बोला नहीं मिलेगा, आज एकादशी है, मुंह से तो जा गिर रहा है उसका. तो रसवर्ज रसोप्यस्य. Even though you are not doing rasa is there, taste is there, param drishtva nivartate. This last line is so important. Moment you get a higher taste, automatically. So Puranjana has actually come. He got disgusted of sense enjoyment, disgusted of hunting for eating, sleeping, mating, defending, and then he came back home and it is getting refreshed in association with Krishna consciousness, feeling very happy. And now, very, very important, he is consulting his mind and intelligence. How is it? And actually, we are not artificially practicing Krishna consciousness. There should be some amount of little happiness. Some anubhava. I told you this many times. Srila Prabhupada asked devotees, why you are practicing Krishna consciousness? Prabhupada, it is said in the Shastra. Prabhupada said, no. No, Prabhupada, because you as Acharya are telling. Prabhupada said, no. ऐसा क्यों है? What are you missing? Anubhava. You are having an experience of spiritual happiness, है ना? अब खुद सोचो. In India में हम, भारत में हम गीता का क्लास में बैठ जाते हैं because अपना कल्चर है ना? सुनना चाहिए, मंदिर में जाना चाहिए, समझ आए नहीं आए, अनुभव हो नहीं हो, हम बैठ जाते हैं. अमेरिका में उनको क्या पड़ी है? वो भी हिप्पीज जो घर तक छोड़ चुके हैं. उनको हिंदुइज्म से क्या मतलब है ना? उनको भगवत गीता से क्या, वो क्या बैठे थे? अनुभवा, अनुभवा, है ना? कॉमन सेंस हो गया ना. हमारा तो चलो भाई कॉलेज में क्लास है गीता का, मम्मी बोली थी सुनना है, जाके बैठ गए. मम्मी ने बोला कुछ समझ आ नहीं रहा, क्या बोल रहा पता नहीं, है ना? चल सकता है. उधर तो कोई रीजन भी नहीं था. सो अनुभवा, दे आर हैविंग एक्चुअली एन एक्सपीरियंस. एंड therefore Srila Prabhupada wanted whichever part of the world he used to go. So there was an Africa event, so they made a temple in the area where Indians were living, because it is easy, no? Prabhupada said, इसको बंद करो, उधर खोलो जहाँ Africans है. I mean, इनको तो already मालूम है, इनको क्या प्रचार करोगे? Africans को प्रचार करो. That is a success, right? And that was a difference. When Srila Prabhupada was personally present on the planet, all temples in America were filled with Americans. In Australia, they were filled with Australians. In Africa, they were filled with Africans. अभी वैसा नहीं है. अब ऑस्ट्रेलिया में जाओ इंडियंस ही दिखेंगे, अमेरिका में जाओ इंडियंस ही दिखेंगे, अफ्रीका में भी जाओ भी इंडियंस ही दिखेंगे, यूरोप में जाओ इंडियंस ही दिखेंगे. ठीक है, आपका रोजी रोटी चल रहा है, बट आचार्य इज नॉट देयर. वी नो देयर इज अ डिफरेंस. इतना आसान नहीं होता है. प्योरिटी इज द force. You cannot imitate. That time there were maybe how many? 4,000, 5,000 devotees. Abhi easily maybe million devotees hain ISKCON ke. But million people, Shri Radha Govinda ki cannot do work of one. Just like in Ramayana Yuddha, when Ravana came to fight, it was more than his whole army. Am I ठीक बोल रही हूँ? He was more powerful than the whole army that fought before him. उसके पास इतने दिव्य अस्त्र थे जो पूरे के पास नहीं थे. इवन हिरण्यकशिपु ने सबको बोला मेरे बेटे को मारो. जो वो खुद आया, that was most dangerous. उसके पास इतने दिव्य शक्ति थी कि खाली नरसिम्हा से लड़ सकते थे, है ना, देवता लोग नहीं लड़ सकते. उसके बाकी ले लो हिरण्यकशिपु, when he was gone to the forest for tapasya, devatas won the war, है ना. That's why they kidnapped Kayadu. उसके रहते आप छू भी नहीं सकते. He's alone more powerful than the whole army. Even Mahabharata war only, बाकी लोग तो ऐसे ही घूम रहे थे. Real war was with Arjuna, Karna, भीष्मा, द्रोणा. रियल वॉर अश्वत्थामा इसमें हो रही थी. बाकी तो ऐसे ही घूम रहे थे. मतलब एक आदमी पूरा खा दे, इतने खतरनाक थे. भीष्मा एंड ऑल वर इन वन डे किलिंग लैक्स ऑफ सोल्जर्स, है ना. मतलब तो दिस वर रियल. उनको क्या क्या था? तपस. So by tapas, Prabhupada says you can become so powerful that one devotee of Krishna consciousness पूरा ब्रह्मांड को, एक ब्रह्मांड को मुक्त कर सकता है. इतना पावरफुल बन सकते हैं. इतना पावर. Prabhupada used to say, you know, you are going around the world, you are preaching. These people are not, मतलब ये तो बहुत डिस्टेंस है हमारे कल्चर से. But we are making devotee. इंडिया में तो हमारे ही लोग हैं. Those who have gone to other religions. You know, इनको तो you should be able to do. But he can do. But हमारे लिए it's very difficult. We are finding it very difficult. We don't have that. So what is the, always remember, you see, pure devotee, Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave an example, no? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu had gone to some place. Now, most of the examples you hear again and again, because so Prabhupada, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu reached some place, and then the Pratap Rudra, the king of Odisha, had become the devotee of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So if he comes to know that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is going to some particular town, udhar ek din ke liye, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is going to be in that town for how long? Only for one day. For that day, a full place is built for us to stay, some food grains stored there, every arrangement made just for his one day. And definitely now he was not making a mistake, Pratap Rudra. Okay, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's visit, if he can serve him, he is blessed. Okay, then what happened? He reaches the boundary of his Pratap Rudra's kingdom. And the next is totally as India was, so many small kingdoms, were all Muslim kingdoms at that time. Some places were still remaining. Then later whole thing got covered and then Britishers came. Tamasha chalta raha for 1,000 years, all this. So then at that time, this person sent a message to that king that we want to talk to you, something like that. तो उसको पता चला भाई कोई संत आए, उसने अपने दूत भेजे. So the दूत came to see what is happening and he saw Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He is a Muslim. Hare Krishna, 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 Hare Krishna. Just by seeing. Purity is the force. See, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu खुद दिखा के गए ना, how much power of devotee can have, है ना? Just by seeing him. That is what the definition, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave the definition in Chaitanya Charitamrita. The Grahasthas asked this question to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu 3 times. The question was this, that I think the Grahasthas from Kulina Grama, we want to know what is the duty of a Grahastha? Duty of a Grahastha? chant the holy name of the Lord and serve Vaishnavas. And even for everybody it is, he said like that. So they say, how do I recognize a Vaishnava? The first year he said, Asat Sangha Tyaga A Vaishnav Achara. The person who gives an association of Asat people, he is a Vaishnava. And what is Asat? Stri Sangi Eka Krishna Abhakt Ara. Stri Sangi means hunting for women all the time. Real man. Stri Sangi Eka Krishna Abhakt Ara. And it has nothing to do with any devotion service to the Lord. Krishna Abhakta. Bhakta matlab, he wants to do service. Abhakta matlab, usko service mein interest mein. So ye bol. अच्छा खुश हो गए. अगले साल आए, फिर ये प्रश्न पूछा. What is the duty of a grahastha? जैसे they used to stay for 4 months, then they used to go. Again they asked. And this time Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, who's constantly chanting the name of a Lord, he is a Vaishnava. Okay? Somebody can locate the verses, I'll be very happy, but may not be easy at this time. Later you can locate and send me. Okay? So this again, second time. What is the duty of a grahastha? To serve Vaishnava, chant the holy name and serve Vaishnava. How do I recognize a Vaishnava? Who's constantly chanting the name of the Lord. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu definition is Madhyamadhikari. Kanishtadhikari, aap bante tab hain. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is very strict. When you give up asatsanga. है ना? ऐसा नहीं है कि अभी ऑफिस में नहीं जा सकते, ये सब जाने का, ऐसा नहीं जाना. But in a heart, we should be not absorb things from a Vaishnava. Correct? We should be very careful. Those who are watching reels, उनके लिए बोल रहा हूँ. असत्संगा त्यागा. असत्संग करते रहो, दीमक की तरह अंदर से खा जाएगा आपको. कुछ नहीं, एक ढांचा रह जाएगा बस भक्त का. But no feelings of a devotee will be there. Correct? Satsang se kya hoga? Your devotional feelings will be destroyed. Instead of yoga maya, they will be mahamaya sitting in your heart. But the first wala to mil gaya, second wala, Supriya. So then the second year, this what is the definition said? Second, okay. So this is the first year and the second year. Now, thank you, Aishwarya Mataji. That is first year. And the second year is constantly chanting the name of the Lord. Yeah. So I'll just show you. Thank you, Mataji. I'll give you pramana now, what I am speaking. You hear directly from the Shastra. प्रभु कहे वैष्णव सेवा नाम संकीर्तना द्विकारा शीघ्र पावे श्री कृष्ण चरणा. So if you want to achieve Shri Krishna Charana, ठीक है, what you should do? You should engage in the service of the servants of Krishna and always chant the holy name of Krishna. If you do that, these two things, you will very soon attain the shelter of Shri Krishna's lotus feet. The blessing of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, क्या करने का? Vaishnava Seva and Nama Sankirtana. And then this Teno kahe ke Vaishnava ki tanra lakshana. Lakshana means how to identify. Tabe hasi kahe Prabhu jani tanra mana. The inhabitants of Kulina Grama said, please let me know who is actually a Vaishnava and what his symptoms are. ठीक है, ऐसा थोड़ी कुत्ते की सेवा करेंगे भाई. वैष्णव होना चाहिए, स्पेशल है. Understanding his mind, Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu smiled and gave the following reply. Therefore, Prabhupada used to say, all of you become Vaishnava. By serving each other, you will go back to Godhead. है ना? क्योंकि वैष्णव सेवा लिखा है. कृष्ण नाम निरंतर यानार वदने श्री वैष्णव श्रेष्ठ भज तान्हार चरणे. A person who is always chanting the name of the Lord is to be considered a first-class Vaishnava. Oh, okay, thank you, Mataji. This is the second one. The second time what he says, whose Krishna Nama Nirantara, Nirantara. Just like the shloka, Aho Bato Sapacho Vigariyan, Ya Jivragre Vartate. Vartate means Nirantara, sitting on the holy name. Bad gaya. Holy name is sitting, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. You would have seen some people, correct? Constantly they are chanting. कुछ लोग खाली बोलते हैं, वो जब करते नहीं है, जब करो ना, वो तो चल रहा है पूरे टाइम क्या चल रहा है हमको मालूम है, हम बोलने नहीं रहे हमको, आप जप करो। अभी ऐसा सब आसान नहीं है। It is very, very fortunate if somebody is all the time chanting. People are not honest. So Krishna Nama Nirantara. This is the second time he said Nirantara. First time was Asasanga Tyaga. That is the first symptom. Spiritual life किस दिन शुरू होगी? Asasanga Tyaga. आसान नहीं है, बहुत मुश्किल है। और भक्तों का संग नहीं करते तो कर्मी का संग बहुत अच्छा लगता है। कैसा चल रहा है? बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है। चेतन में आप उसे ऐसा होना चाहिए जैसे पिंजरे में किसी ने डाल दिया और आग में फेंक दिया, ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस होना चाहिए। नहीं होता, हमको तो बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं लोग, है ना, क्योंकि असत्संग त्याग कह रहा ही नहीं है, घुटन हो जाती है, घुटन। बट सेकेंड लेवल इज कृष्ण नाम निरंतर यानार वदने, निरंतर छोड़ नहीं पाता, पूरा दिन भगवान का नाम जप कर रहा है, भगवान का सेवा कर रहा है, ग्रेट। 16 माला करना is equivalent to निरंतर जप, if you are busy rest of the day in service, है ना। In fact, I remember when we had a construction in Bangalore for temple के लिए, थोड़ा कृष्ण का कृपा से मेहनत किया था, तो जब हम बैठ जाते थे 10, कहीं मालूम नहीं किधर जाएंगे, बैठ गए ऑटो में, भी जाना है, लोगों को मिलना है, किधर जाना मालूम नहीं, और हमारा पार्टनर है के साथ, बंद कर, अभी मेरे को ढूंढना है कहाँ किसको मिलना है भाई, इतना बड़ा मंदिर बनाना है। कुछ लोगों को समझ नहीं आता है, वो तो निरंतर जब हम, तुम सेवा स्पॉइल नहीं कर सकते। आप सोचो, कोई सोचेगा कैसे? आप बैठे ऑफिस में, आपके लैब में रिसर्च कर रहे हैं, हरे कृष्णा हरे कृष्णा, अरे यार मेरे को काम करने दे। इफ आई एम चैंटिंग 16 राउंड्स प्रॉपरली, इट इज 24 आवर जपा। वी कैन नॉट इमिटेट। अब वो हमको ऑर्डर, बाबा जी बनने का परमिशन नहीं है हमको। बाबा जी मतलब इसको सुन के क्या सोचेगा, मैं वृंदावन में जाके बैठ जाएगा, हरे कृष्णा करेगा, एक आगे प्लेट रख देगा, लोग उसमें कॉइन फेंकते रहेंगे, पूरे शाम को खा लेगा, है ना। ऐसा लोग करते हैं भी हैं कुछ, नहीं, प्रॉपर नेवर परमिटेड एनीबडी, ही सेड नो, डोंट डू दैट। एंड एक्चुअली इफ यू सी, व्हेन वी लिव अ बैलेंस्ड लाइफ, वी हैव टू डाइजेस्ट ऑल्सो, नो। कोई बोलेगा पूरा दिन पढ़ेगा, कैन यू डाइजेस्ट दैट? यू कैन नॉट डाइजेस्ट दैट, समझ भी नहीं आएगा तेरे, उसको डाइजेस्ट करना है ना। You read proper time, 1 or 2 hours, you chant your 16 round, actually you are very peaceful and happy. Otherwise, it will not work out. Okay? So that is, Nirantara Japa is 16 round chanting. Have that confidence. टाइम मिला इधर उधर थोड़ा जप कर लिया, यहाँ पे बैठे तो थोड़ा पढ़ते रहे, है ना, कहीं पे वेट कर रहे हैं, चलो 2 माला और करनी थी, अच्छा है, शुभ है, जितना कर सकते करो, बुरा नहीं है। आप 100 माला भी करो, इट इज शुभ, बट मोर एडवांस विल बी, सेवा भी तो करनी है ना, कौन करेगा सेवा भाई, है ना, कितना काम है। कृष्ण नाम निरंतर यानार वदने से वैष्णव श्रेष्ठ भजा तानहार चरणे, ठीक है, उसको सेवा करो, ठीक है। सो आ जाओ इस प्लेटफॉर्म में। ये क्या होता है, मंदिर में सेवा तो लेते रहते हैं एक दूसरे की, उसको आशीर्वाद ज्यादा मिलेगा ना। सेवा लेने का तो बहुत मन करता है, अवैष्णव की सेवा करके एक टके का फायदा नहीं है ना। और हम अवैष्णव वर्ग के लेटे रहते हैं, जैसे आजकल है ना, वो ब्राह्मण बन गए, बड़ा बड़ा पेट होता है, इतना बड़ा पेट है ना, भोजन के लिए आ जाते हैं, उसको खिला के कुछ फायदा नहीं। अवैष्णव हो, जनरली सारी अवैष्णव हैबिट उसके पास पड़ी रहती है ना। सो नो, दैट इज नॉट गुड। नाउ द थर्ड वन इज दैट अगेन, this is, you can read this proper comment, please find time and read. We will get so much information about Madhyamadhikari here. Okay? Actually, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's definition of Kanishta Madhyama Uttama is different from the definition of Kanishta Madhyama given by the Rupa Goswami and Bhaktivinoda Thakur. You can read that in Nectar of Instruction, and you should only say it with Uttamadhikari, only accept Uttamadhikari as a guru. But the point is the definition is different. And people don't see that. But now we are into Chaitanya because they gave a concession. No. They gave a concession. Ooh. Acharyas later. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu ka bahut strict tha. हाँ, okay. Then if you can locate the third one. Varshantare Punatanra Aicha Prashna Kaila Vaishnavera Tatarma त्राताम्या प्रभु शिखाइला. हमारा बंगाली माता जी इज देयर. शी इज नॉट देयर टुडे. शी थॉट आप कुछ काम नहीं है. कोई और है बंगाली जानता है? हम लोग कुछ भी करें प्रोनाउंसिएशन ठीक नहीं आएगा. गौरचंद है लेकिन हाँ बोलो.
বৈষ্ণান্তরে কোন তারা হইছে প্রশ্ন কইল বৈষ্ণবের তারতম্য প্রভু শিখাইল.
Chalo. Good. The following is the inhabitant of the Kulingrama again asked the Lord the same question. Hearing the question, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu again taught them about the different types of Vaishnava. The third one. देखो he is telling कितना planned है. हमको तो याद भी नहीं आएगा. ये दोबारा प्रश्न पूछा, भूल गए, चेहरा भी नहीं याद है. तुम इसको हमारे राधा गोविंद से कनेक्टेड हो. हाँ प्रभु दीक्षा भी हो चुकी है और हमको याद भी नहीं रहता है. चैतन्य प्रभु को याद है, दोबारा प्रश्न पूछ रहे हैं. हाँ.
যাহার দর্শনে মুখে আইছে কৃষ্ণ নাম তাহারে জানিয়া তুমি বৈষ্ণব প্রধান.
Shri Chaitanya was a first class Vaishnava. He whose very presence makes others chant the holy name of Krishna. उसको देख के ही लोग हरे कृष्णा दे बोलने की जरूरत नहीं उसको. So what happens मेरे एनालिसिस में the body language, इतना बड़ा body language आजकल बोलते हैं, it's not very artificial. उसका हृदय and body is soul and body is totally connected. His soul is in pure Krishna consciousness. Body also is in pure Krishna consciousness. Some people analyze, just like Prabhupada. अब जैसे आज eclipse के बारे Prabhupada ने बात भी नहीं किया. उनके पास कहाँ टाइम है? वास्तु, eclipse, बहुत चीजों Prabhupada चीजें बात भी नहीं किया. टाइम ही नहीं है उनके पास ही. You know, I remember I was telling them, I brought the person, one expert from Surya. One big expert, considered the biggest expert, उसको बुलाया और हमने बोला वास्तु क्या है? बोला कौन सा मंदिर बना रहे हो? मैंने कहा कृष्ण का. तो आप क्यों पूछ रहे वास्तु? सारी दिशा तो उधर ही जाती है ना, क्यों आपको कोई जरूरत नहीं है, बट पूछ रहे हो बता देता. मैंने कहा भाई देखो लोगों को खोट देखने की आदत है. ये तो हजारों साल मंदिर रहेगा, लोग बोलेगा भाई ये तुमने किया, ऐसा नहीं किया, ये गड्ढा ऊपर करना था, नीचे करना था, है ना. बट एक्चुअली वी आर नॉट हैप्पी विद द एंड रिजल्ट. गड्ढा बना के मंदिर को गड्ढे में डाल दिया, है ना. टेम्पल का हाइट 2 मंजिल कम हो गया. कितना अच्छा लगता, भव्य दिखता है. तो सिमिलरली सो मेनी थिंग्स प्रॉपर. जैसे एक्लिप्स का आज क्या करना है ना, अपना भक्ति करो सेम चीज. चलो थोड़ा कीर्तन और कर लेना बस, है ना. ये करो वो करो, कुशाग्रास डालो, करना है करो. वैदिक है वो भी वैदिक है. इवन पारणा टाइम प्रॉपर ने कभी डिस्कस नहीं किया. वैदिक है, शास्त्र में खुद दिया. अम्बरीश के लीला में कभी इंप्लीमेंट नहीं किया. कहाँ है ऐसी चीज? सुबह ब्रेकफास्ट ब्रेकफास्ट. क्योंकि जितना लाइफ कॉम्प्लिकेट करोगे क्या होता, लोग उसी पे चढ़ जाते हैं, है ना. ये हो गया वो हो गया वो हो गया. जितने नियम सिंप्लीफाई कर सकते थे इधर. सो नाउ एनीवे whose very presence makes others chant the holy name of Krishna. उसको देख के लोग हरे कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण. I told you one more case. There was one devotee. He was an African. हिप्पी थे, कुछ अफ्रीकन भी हिप्पी थे, काला. And then what happened? He had a Prabhupada ka book, because everywhere book distribution was going on. So he had a book with him and he used to every day see Prabhupada picture. और उसको लगता था कुछ संत, बिकॉज हर आदमी को होता है संत का कोई रेस्पेक्ट करना. उस पिक्चर को हर दिन देखता था, थोड़े मिनट. किताब कभी खोली नहीं, पिक्चर को देखता था बस, और अपना जैसी जिंदगी है उसको रेस्पेक्ट करता था. बहुत बड़ा संत है. तो फिर क्या हुआ, उसको कुछ आस्था डेवलप हो गई थी. फिर एक दिन जस्ट लाइक वी हैव द, उसका स्टोरी नहीं है हमारे पास, वी हैव द DT, यू नो, द रिलीफ पैनल ऑफ रामानुजाचार्य, है ना. It was like, then one day what happened? Actually Prabhupada came to his town and he saw Prabhupada walking with his devotees, morning walk. He just saw. He said, tears are rolling down my eyes, rolling down, so much effect. Just by seeing his heart was purified. And that is a wish. You feel, I should chant, I should chant, I should chant. Because with every activity, even now our devotees, they have something called mudras. When they speak, you've seen the great Acharya, they have mudras. Prabhupada never talked about it. If you get him in Delhi का एयरपोर्ट में उतर तो नहीं हो, चार तरह की सारी मुद्रा लगाई हुई हैं, देखा? किसी ने देखा? दिल्ली का एयरपोर्ट देखा वहाँ? सारी मुद्रा उन्होंने ऐसे वो लगाया हुआ है। नहीं है, सब है मुद्रा। बोलने की ऐसा बोलेंगे। They analyzed Prabhupada's body. All the mudras was constantly coming when he was speaking automatically. Because the whole body, the pure devotee's body is acting. The mudras are automatically coming out. So this is actually like Rishabhadeva. Rishabhadeva became a Paramahamsa and he was walking. He was not wearing clothes also. And when he was passing stool, the fragrance of flowers was coming out. Because the body is totally spiritualized. Because the body is totally spiritualized, such an acharya, उसका समाधि भी बनाते हैं ना, है ना? भाई देखो बोल रहे हैं ना, उसको देख के ही भक्त बन रहे हैं, अब इसको एनालाइज करो आप। उसका समाधि, उसका शरीर is so pure, उसको आप गाड़ दो, है ना? It's totally pure. Not only sharir, people are made, you can make pushpa samadhis of thousands of pushpa samadhis of Prabhupada. They made one na Mayapur mein. Just a flower offered to that body is also purified, and you can make a samadhi. Rather, that is bigger than the Vrindavan samadhi. That is huge. So it is equivalent. Vrindavan is full of pushpa samadhis and samadhis of the Goswamis. So we can understand, therefore, any example you can give me how just by seeing a pure devotee somebody becomes a Vaishnava. Any example anybody knows? From Leelamrita or from the Shastra, just by seeing. We have the example of that hunter. He just saw Narad Muni. He was full of anger. Just seeing him, he felt purified. And uska anger vanished. He didn't get angry. And rather he offered charity. Can I offer you something? And because of that, he became blessed and he became a great Vaishnava later. Because he has desire to serve. The Narad Muni said, no, I don't want anything, but I want one charity. Don't kill the animals. And he said, what's so wrong in killing anyway? Then he explained something, and in association became just by. Basically, he has not given him some Bhagavad Gita lecture or Bhagavatam lecture. Hai, just by the presence, he became purified. True? Any example, any more example you can tell me? Just by the presence, even without speaking, somebody became a Vaishnava. No example? Everybody is thinking?
Krishna Prabhu, the prostitute and Haridas Thakur. The prostitute with Haridas Thakur.
Yeah. Basically, he was not talking. क्या वो तो जप कर रहा था? Just by seeing him, constantly chanting the name of, that is a serious devotee. But हम लोग हरिदास 16 माला करो, equivalent to 192 rounds. आराम से खुश रहो. That is the blessing of Prabhupada. But Prabhupada said, whole day you should work hard. Prabhupada gives that example. In my parampara actually was 64 rounds. Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada said, anybody who doesn't chant 64 rounds, wo patit hai. Bhaktivinoda Thakur also said that. Oh, he's a fallen person. But Prabhupada made it 60 rounds, but he said, then work hard. Not that 16 mala jab karke so gaye. Nahin, but time hai aapke paas. Karo 64 rounds. Nobody is stopping you. Chant 100 rounds. Who is stopping you? ठीक है ना? So, with the example of the prostitute, what he is talking is just chanting and she just seeing, my God. Just again, body language, just was seeing. After 2 days, she got convinced. Actually, he is a genuine devotee. Because usko information मिली थी, पाखंडी नाटक कर रहा है, इसको तुम जाओ पकड़ा जाएगा, है ना? But after 2 days of just observing him, and the third day, she was convinced and she fell down and said, she had one feeling out of the Vedic culture, अपराध हो गया मेरे से, है ना? वैष्णव का अवैष्णव अपराध हो गया, तो बहुत बड़ा संत है. And she begged pardon. That was element in her, positive element, just by seeing. Very, very good. Just by seeing. And even the Maya Devi who came to test Haridas Thakur, just by seeing him. Correct? He was not talking to her. Class थोड़ी ले रहा था उसका. He was just chanting, just by seeing him, engage in his chanting. Hey Ram. And she said, can you give me Diksha? My husband, Lord Shiva, has given me Ramanama. Can you give me Diksha? Just imagine Durga Devi taken Diksha from him. What a Vaishnava is. Therefore, Maya Devi will also bow down if you become a devotee. So, this is the opportunity of human form of life. Okay? So, we should have experience. but experiences come only in Sattva-guna. There is no experience in Rajoguna and Tamoguna. We have to come to Sattva-guna. Wisdom, spiritual life actually comes to a good platform when we come to Sattva-guna. Rajoguna, Tamoguna, we disturb others, we are disturbed. We have to rise. No? See what happens. We may be practicing Krishna consciousness of 50 years, I am chanting, I have initiated, but why Rajoguna, Tamoguna is not going? Unless Rajoguna, Tamoguna go, आप कृष्ण कैसे एक्सेप्ट करेंगे? आप इधर भी डिस्टर्ब करोगे, है ना? वैकुंठ में भी डिस्टर्ब करोगे लो. राजसिक मीन डिस्टर्ब, तामसिक मीन पागल. Dangerous you are, no? Correct? We cannot live peacefully. A rajasic, tamasic person will not live peacefully, will not allow others to live peacefully. Therefore, Krishna cannot take them to Vaikuntha. And it is difficult. In a community also, very difficult such people. Oof! Where people celebrate. There was one devotee, his name is what? Fault finder. Fault finding is not a big deal. Who was the person who was fault finding? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu का वो तो एक एग्जाम्पल. और चैतन्य महाप्रभु का
वल्लभ स्वामी,
ईश्वरपुरी and Ramachandrapuri. Ramachandrapuri. What happened to Ramachandrapuri? He came because celebration occurred. Amoga mein celebration, idhar celebration ho. So Ramachandrapuri came and he fallen down. He fell with his guru itself. Madhandapuri was crying when leaving the body. Krishna, I cannot get shelter in Vaikuntha. He was crying. So at that time, what happens? At that time, Ramachandrapuri, Ishwarpuri was doing seva, massaging his feet, doing seva to his guru. He is passing stool urine. At that time, definitely होता है. छोटे बच्चे और मरते समय एक सही हालत होता है. वही stool urine pass होता रहता है. So he is doing, washing the body. He is doing very menial service. Nichavat. How is doing? Nichavat. So Madhandapuri blessed him. And what happened? Ishwarpuri became his disciple. And he was blessed. Ye aaya, he was associating with Mayavadis. Mayavada sunile hue sarvanasha. Iska sarvanash ho chuka tha. And Guru could identify. He entered. Ab ro rahe? Brahma Bhuta Prasannatma. A person who is actually Brahma Bhuta should be Prasannatma. You are crying. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu felt, Madhandapuri felt very bad seeing him. He understood. इसको निकालो इधर से. He is in Krishna consciousness, feeling separation from the Lord. Mahabhava is experiencing, like Radharani, experiencing intense separation. और ये बेवकूफ उसको ABCD ज्ञान दे रहा है मायावाद का. तो मुस्कुराना चाहिए ना. जैसे आप भगवान के सामने खड़े होते हैं, कभी कभी आंसू आते हैं और कोई अगर रो रहा है, ब्रह्मभूता प्रसन्न आत्मा. ये मायावादी, इसको भगाओ इधर से, इसको भगाओ इधर से. So Madhavpuri became angry and he abandoned the disciple, which is horrible. For a disciple, aprasada nagati kutopi, that's the example. So he lost Krishna consciousness. And after you lose Krishna consciousness, only thing is you start seeing devotees on a material platform. Aparad shuru ho jata hai. So he became a big aparadi. So he came to where Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was there, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu paid obeisance to him because his guru's god brother. Uske guru ke barabar maan diya. So he used to go to his Chaitanya Mahaprabhu disciple and उसको प्रसाद देंगे, क्योंकि वो तो उनके गुरु के भी गुरु हैं, है ना. बहुत आराम से प्रसाद खाएगा. उसके बाद मैं आपको भी खिलाता. नहीं आप नहीं, मैं भी खिलाना चाहेगा. ठीक है, खिलाएगा. 25 चपाती, नहीं और खा. वो फोर्स करेगा, वो खाएगा. उसके बाद देखा ऐसा नाटक कर रहा है, इतना खा रहा है, मतलब ऐसे फिर उसका मजाक बनाएगा उसको. लोग दुखी हो गए इससे. एंड चैतन्य महाप्रभु के जगह गया एक दिन, एंड ही वेंट देयर एंड ही सेड, आई सी एंड्स हियर. You sannyasi are a bogus, you're simply eating sweets, nicely eating. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, what he did, he said, make my food half to the devotees. Everybody became sad. लोग तो खाना ही बंद कर दिए, दुखी हो गए. Because for them, they are serving him and उसका हालत देख के he's eating only little. Devotees are very sad and उसको देख के तो ऐसा गुस्सा थे. तो एक दिन वो चला गया उधर से, celebration started. लोग स्वीट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर रहे, अरे गया ये. So if we become rasik, tamasic, I tell you, the day we die, people will say, gaya ye. है नहीं? ऐसे ही होगा. आप सब लोग सोचते मैं महान हूं, but people will disgusted out of you. जब कहीं से भी जाओगे, मरने का क्या, कहीं से जाके कहीं और गए, लोग सेलिब्रेशन करेंगे. तुम्हारा यही था, ना तो किसी की सेवा करते थे, ना किसी को अप्रिशिएट करते थे, है ना? तुम्हारा काम था खाली खोट देखना. कौन देख, किसी को अच्छा लगता है? जजमेंटल आपको अच्छा लगता है? कोई दोस्त मतलब हर समय आपको जज कहे नहीं है, ये ठीक नहीं है, यार छोड़ मेरे को तू, है ना? So you cannot call him a friend. Even in Karmi language they have a judgmental. हर सेकंड आपको मार्क्स दे रहा है, 18, 18.5. क्या है यार यार, ठीक है? So nobody likes. Friend means suhrida, is a well-wisher, is always wishing well. Then you become friend. We don't want others to be judgmental, and we want to be judgmental. Nobody will like you, keep you away. Like, we feel suffocated if such a person sits next to us, है ना? कोई आदमी हर मोमेंट आपका खोट दुख रहा है, एक घुटन होती है, अरे कब जाएगा इधर से. ये रजोगुण तमोगुण के प्रमाण है. रजोगुण तमोगुण में यही रहता है ना? It's like that only. Fault finding. So it's not that we should not evaluate, but our focus is to get Krishna consciousness, not to find fault. You see, we are associating a devotee. Sometimes sannyasis come or sometimes very senior devotees come. We happily take association. And in that process, somebody may be neglected, but we are not offending him. Our focus, आपको आम खरीदने हैं, दुकान में जहाँ आम मिल रहे हैं उधर जा रहे हैं, but उसको थोड़ी किसकी दुकान में आम नहीं, देखो इसकी दुकान में आम, इधर आओ सब लोग, इसकी दुकान में आम नहीं. ये बहुत बड़ा important step है. Fault finding and discrimination. We have to do discrimination to advance, but it is not fault finding. It is different. So similarly, if you are rasik and tamasic, people will only celebrate when we go away. खुशी होगा. At least जब we leave the body, एक आदमी तो आके should wish well and keep one flower at your body, है ना? Wishing well, praying to the Lord, bless it. गया ये यही आमर. So if you remain rasik and tamasic, forget about Krishna. Krishna will reject you outright. You have no entry to Vaikuntha. Even in the material world, people will celebrate a Gaya Sirse Bahar. So why we should live like that life? Actually, when Srila Prabhupada left the body, people were crying. Why? You should see. They say the more what we did for him, even in that condition, he was doing more than that. He was very concerned. You're saying, hey, your health is not good. Are you taking care? Even on a material, even see from a normal moral platform, he was so caring for his devotees. So we have to rise. A Rajoguna, Tamoguna, you only think about yourself. Who is Rasik? Selfish man. Tamasic, gone out of selfishness, gone mad. Don't be like that. Namo Mahavadanyaya Krishna Prema Pradayate Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Namane Gauratushe Namo Namaha. Okay, so we should develop Tarorapi Sahishana. We should develop good qualities of a Vaishnava. Then people will feel so fortunate to get the association. It's not out of protocol, I am a senior devotee, take my association. Why nobody is coming to take association? Nobody feels inspired to come to you. What can they do? You cannot force. You cannot force. Okay? There are no realizations. Your realizations, people take benefit. So there are various kinds of Vaishnavas. Everybody is not on the same level. We should try to progress. And when we actually progress in Krishna consciousness, that becomes the greatest welfare activity in the world. Suppose somebody is sitting and very attentively chanting Hare Krishna, he is actually doing greatest welfare activity. We have seen it. So Krishna consciousness is all encompassing. Everything is taken care. You do your sadhana properly. We have seen in colleges, students lose that time, 2-3 hours what they do sadhana. Still they do better than other people. But Krishna dadami buddhi, Krishna gives them intelligence. So that they can do your, basically your 22 hours become expanded to 24 hours. Krishna does some mysterious activity. Otherwise, you compare a devotee who is chanting 2 hours, other people are not chanting 2 hours. They should perform better, no? You see, mysterious, those who are chanting 2 hours, they do better than people who are not chanting. This is the mystery of Krishna consciousness. So coming to Krishna consciousness is everything vardhanam. Ananda ambudhi vardhanam. Not only spiritual happiness increases, everything increases. And life becomes very, very auspicious. Like Puranjana is coming back to the home, and is feeling happy, peaceful, blissful. So Krishna consciousness always a good decision that we have taken. Thank you, Hare Krishna. Thank you everybody to look at these verses.
Hare
Hare Krishna, everybody.
Hare
Krishna Prabhuji, Hare Krishna,
Krishna Prabhuji, Krishna Prabhuji,
Krishna Prabhuji,
Prabhuji,
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Hare Pranam Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Dandvat Pranam.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Dandavad Pranam. Hare
Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare
Hare
Rama,
Krishna,
Hare
Hare
Rama,
Krishna.
Krishna, Hare Krishna,
Hare Rama,
Hare Ram, Ram Ram.
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare
Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Rama,
Krishna, Hare
Rama,
Hare Rama,
Rama,
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare. Thank you, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna, Dandavad Pranam.